stocks in this bitch. And Commodity Mondays, we're going to have the debut XRP Future Millionaire and a side bet on XLM and a future DigiByte OG have come up with what we think is a huge moneymaker in this field of this mining. It's a very limited mining sector as I hit some more hashisha and mutta. Right? It's a very restricted market. Only 2 countries are allowed to buy this shit. It's heavily controlled and regulated. There's always a handful of companies, and a few of these companies, as I'll get into on Commodity Mondays, have popped from this price. Right? You can see what I've already done for you as we give you an intro. You can see that we're in a falling wedge, and those are bullish reversal patterns when they're angled down. Right? When they're up, they're bearish reversals. So this pattern is being exhausted. Often you notice a rounding bottom like you are as the buyers or bulls start to take over the market and the sellers or the bears lose control of the market and the price is going to come up. And as you know from all these wedges, rising wedges that break down because they're bearish reversals, this is a falling wedge, which are bullish reversals. The price target is the top of the wedge. And the top of the wedge is all the way up here. Over $1, 95 cents-ish to nearly $1.50. And that's what all these other mining stocks have done that mine this shit. And they've skyrocketed. We'll get rid of that. We'll go to our industry exclusive company-made measuring tool. And just at the low end, 95 cents. That's a 236% gain. And you have a chance of coming way up there after a while. And you can see the volume is increasing, right? As the price is continued to fall. The market right now is trying to tell you that something is happening here. Come on. Give me my industry exclusive drawing tool. You see this volume? Look at that. The volume's been declining for a decade after a huge pump back in 2013. And now the volume has started to pick up, and it's buy volume. Let's zoom in. Look at that. Look at that buy volume. It's telling you it's priming itself to break out. And I'm going to load up along with XRP Future Millionaire. We are going to load up, and we're backing the truck up as we speak. We've had to rent U-Hauls and reinforce the U-Hauls because we have backed the truck up so much because this is going to have to be made immediate play. The volume's telling you it's loading up and it's getting ready to break out of this nearly 10-year resistance, that white line up now, and it's going to pop. And you got to be in it before it pops because when it pops, it's too late and you're just riding the train. And this is an emergency buy alert, and I'm going to get extensively in the commerce resource, what they mine, how they mine, where they mine, and how they are able to mine. And I mean, this chart's telling you you're about to have a massive bull run, and there's going to be 2, 3, 4, 500% returns in this mining stock. Yes, it's a gamble. You buy it. I will continue to buy this until it breaches. At current price, let's zoom in until it breaches here to now. Until it breaches this 40-cent level and this resistance. As long as it's below its downtrending resistance, I will buy on every dip. So I'm gonna start and buy probably 3, maybe 4,000 shares of this shit on Monday, tomorrow when the market opens, right? And then if it pumps and then comes back down, I'll buy more. But I'm gonna accumulate this until it breaches over that 40-cent level, and then I ride the pump. Because you gotta have a cutoff. Because if you start averaging in, say you buy 10,000 shares of it, I buy 10,000 tomorrow. And then it pops way up here overnight, right, the next day. If you buy 3,000 more shares, you're bringing your average price from there up into here somewhere. So if it has a retrace, your money's going to evaporate quicker than it was going up. You have to load up and then stop buying. And then the next thing you do is start selling your position. You never rebuy back in. You just start unloading. That's how the rich people do it. That's how Vincenzo'S go crypto investing and XRP Future Millionaires. Or that's how I do it. XRP Future Millionaire likes to get in and out a lot more than old Vincenzo does. Old Vincenzo slowly but surely taking XRP from a gambler to a strategically probability-based true long-term investing with a touch of gambling with your gambling money, right? And we're going to continue growing together as two separate companies, but yet one company, right? Because we grow and learn together as an audience from his audience and Rada Martin's audience with Targzishan trading alerts. Because I need you guys to learn how to sidestep the criminal gangster cartel and that evil, oh yes, that evil shark that is out to get me. But this thing is going to pop. I'm going to get extensively into that tomorrow on Commodity Mondays. And you fucks need to start watching that and educate yourself when I do fiscal and monetary policy Fridays and Commodity Mondays, right? Go over the gold chart, dollar index. I think that's going to an all-time record low. By the end of old Joe Biden's second, by the time the midterms come, the dollar is going to be crashing. And he's going to have lots of explaining to do, right? And then he's going to have a hard time explaining it because it's transitory shit. Nobody believes that, right? But that's that. I'll do some more updates here. We'll do a brief update. Litecoin, because it's there. Litecoin's pump. Oh, see, that's coming to the top of the chart. This is another watch. Emergency breaking news. Industry exclusive. The Vincenzo'S Go Crypto Investing. See that track we put out, I don't know, 3 days ago? We'll make that a little clearer in case you guys are fucking blind. Not that one. That's the one we put today. 3 days ago, right? Yeah. See that? We said you were in this bearish continuation pattern. Let's see that. Look at that beautiful bearish continuation pattern. And these are bearish. And the target is down here, right? So these are going to tend in a probability-based way. They should break down. But you can have fake outs, right? Where you can pop real quick up into something like that. And then you roll right over on itself. Because where's the volume, guys, on the hour time frame? It's going to be even worse in the daily time frame. You need a fucking monocle to see the volume. Yeah, you tell me where that fucking volume is. You know? Let's zoom in. Where's the volume? Huh? Come on, guys. Get your fucking shit together. This train is over. This is a wake-up call. Where's your monocle at to fucking see that? I'm going to superimpose a monocle right there because look at this big mountain. And then, bam, that ain't shit, right? It's over. You guys are in fucking... Let's go to the weekly. It'll look even worse. Look at that. This is what you guys are buying in, thinking you're about to pump up to here or up to here, anywhere in there. This volume is all sell volume, and there ain't even any volume. Look at this. This is a disaster. You guys are getting fleece heisted and shysted. And the sooner you're on the Vincenzo'S Go Crypto Investing, the better. You're gambling the farm right now, and this is all junk. I made about 4% in Doge because I did buy at 30 cents when I gave you that warning earlier.